If you're looking for a portable soundbar which is USB enabled, then the FND E200 would be the ideal choice. What's up YouTube, welcome to Complete Tech Review and welcome to another unboxing video of the FND E200 soundbar, and this one is a 2.1 channel output unit which delivers best sound quality in its range. As always, I'll leave the links to purchase this product in the description column, and as soon as you open the box you get to see the 3-watt power output soundbar which comes with an 5-volt external adapter which ensures music keeps playing, and it also comes with a unique volume control which is illuminated. Also in the box you get the warranty and the user manual and a charging cable. Coming to the design is an ergonomic design which is also compact, and the dimensions are 410 x 71 x 67 mm. The weight of the speaker is less than a kilo and the construction is made up of high grade plastic. One of the best things that I like about the speaker is the volume control, which is not only slick but also illuminated once when it is connected. There are a couple of things which I like about the speaker, and number one being the cable length, which is 1.2 meters. Number two being that the audio input method is through a stereo audio 3.5 mm jack. And number three being that the power output is 5-volt DC input through a USB port, which means that any USB port from the TV can be plugged in for the speaker. And finally it comes with a 1.5 watt into 2 speakers, which is a 3-watt total output unit, which is one of the best. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off. Bye bye.